Alright guys, welcome back to Shredcraft RC. I'm Cam, and today we are headed to the Scale Science Potluck Matsuri. This is the third year in a row that Scale Science has been doing this Matsuri, and drivers from all over the country come in, so it's a super fun opportunity to drive with other drivers and something that's just kind of an awesome social event. Jordan down at Scale Science has done an awesome job creating just an awesome community of RC drifting enthusiasts, and not just from Colorado but from all over the country. So I went down last night for the Friday night slides, and it was a blast. There's so many cars and so many good drivers, and tonight we're headed back for Saturday night. It's 420, so it's kind of the big party weekend there, so I'm sure there'll be lots of shenanigans going on, and yeah, I will capture as many clips as I can and fill you guys in as we go from there. So hope you guys enjoy this.
Perfect.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. content. Hold your breath and feel attention. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Eat faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Just ride around the nursery and count sheep.